stop.
Hello everyone and welcome to my first vlog. I've never vlogged before, so this is really awkward for me. And I don't know what to say or what to do. This is my cat Sam. She just had babies 2 weeks ago. It's super windy outside today and I haven't seen my horses in ages, though I did actually just see them 5 minutes ago. But I had to go inside to pee. But I was so trash at vlogging, I'm so sorry. I'm changing out of whatever these things are, because you know what? No, I'm actually not going to, because my cowboy boots are full of sand, and I don't want my socks full of sand. Anyway, so I'm just like, don't take my babies. I'm grabbing some treats right now. I'm not supposed to give them treats in the pasture, but I don't care. And since the horses are absolutely filthy and hairy, I'm gonna take out a brush. If someone will let me brush them, I will gladly brush them. I'm probably gonna put up my hood. It's extremely windy outside, and it keeps my hair down, so yeah. I hate it when the hood is too small for the sweater. Like the sweater fits fine, and then the hood is like an egg. Making our way downtown, gotta shut the light off of my dad's house. And as you can probably hear, windy as heck. You guys probably won't be able to hear me, don't care. It's hair in my mouth already, and I'm not even near a horse. I'm like a magnet to horse hair. I don't even know, that probably was just my hair or a piece of hay. This is too big. That's what the winter pasture looks like. Going through the horse shelter, because that's how we have the second pasture open for them right now. And they're there. And they're chilling. Yesterday, my eagle came up here. It was pouring rain. An eagle came up here. Like, we let them down in here. He came ripping in, because May was in here earlier. So he came ripping in. The first thing he did, he came up and absolutely destroyed this hill. Just absolutely wrecked it. It was so nice before. There's a beetle. Wait, where was it? I think it blew away. Just came up here, reared, and absolutely ripped the poop out of it. And so they wrecked all the grass. This pasture was so nice until they came in here in the pouring rain. I just ripped it to shreds. There's May right there. Hey, I got a tree. May. Yeah. Not a social horse. It's my finger that you made. Can I brush you? There's a car coming in. It's awkward. Car curling. Eggs, I just want to brush. I just want to brush you. No, I don't have any more. Well, actually, I do. You know what? You have another one. You're my favorite. Don't tell that. Don't tell that to anyone else. We did it so hard. She's licking me. I'm out here in a white sweater, like, just because I was too lazy to change. This is what I slept in. Dude, that's gross. Look, that's gross. Yeah, you don't want me to rub it on you. Look at your pretty face. Look at your pretty face. Stop eating me. Why is your nose covered in dirt? Why is your nose covered in dirt? Because he won't let me brush you, will he? He always likes, when you're out here with him, he always for some reason. More May thinks I'm trying to catch her. I feel bad. I'm gonna go see Jones. Let's see Jones. All the cars walking by make me feel so nervous. All the cars walking by. Oh my god. Hi Jones. Like that car was when I so slow. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so sorry the video quality's so bad. Why? Stop biting. Jones is an absolute menace. He loves to bite. How hairy this man is. I have brushed him off 5 minutes to me. It's just he bites. He's a really not well behaved horse. He's about 1.5 to. He's a full blown thoroughbred. He is Sagittarius. Look at all that goes hair. Should have put the shedding light out. I was gonna brush the eagle. So I do a bit of a story time, but I don't know. Like I'm trying to think of a story I could tell you guys. Like horse related, I guess. I mean, if you want to hear a falling off story, oh my god, you're super close. Falling off story that's kind of funny. My sister, at the barn we rode at, before we moved here, she rode this horse named Connie. And Connie didn't lope. She guy in it. Oh my god. She didn't do anything past the trot. So our instructor forgot she didn't do anything past the trot. Hi, buddy. And it's like, so why don't you lope her? And my sister didn't want to question it because you would question the instructor. And so she asked her to elope, and Connie she just planted her feet and she just threw her head down and was like, hey, I'm doing that. My sister came off with the top of her head. Right over the neck. Really when bangs brush out. Bang, 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 bang. I don't want to get covered in hair though, I already am. Look at that, that's so special. Ah! I don't want. I was gonna get some of those. Oh, hi, Jones. It's white sweater outside, but you know what? Whatever. It's not that bad. It is kind of that bad. I am a magnet to hair, Jones. Just I hope you enjoyed this trash vlog. Jones, come here. Don't. Okay, no, Jones, no. Go away. No. This is not cool. Jones, it's not fair. That old man driving the van. Jones turned his butt in my face. I thought he was gonna kick her, so I'm like standing on the fence, pushing his butt, and this old man drives by. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Peace out.